Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, then you should know that it's me, Tanushri, and I have been creating a lot of videos since 2 years. I think I started this channel by the time I was in 2021. I think 21 end. I started this channel, so 21, 22, 23. So today I'm gonna discuss something really personal, but it is also because I am discussing with you people. It is not personal, it is something that I want you to know. And actually it is from a video that I have been seeing for a long time, and when I watched the movie, I have watched the movie, and I remember I was in college and I was fighting for certain reasons for this girl, because I don't know why, but I related with the character a lot. And the movie is, obviously you will know it, I hope you people will know it, because it's like Galeria. It is a movie of Deepika Padukone. And I watched the movie, and I think one point that I was into the movie because the trauma, like that movie dealt with trauma. And yeah, I mean, I was also going through a trauma. So there is a line in the end where the father, Nasiruddin Shah, said something to Deepika Padukone. And I will actually go. I have used it in. I hope copyright claim. So copyright claim will lag jaye, but अगर लग भी जाए फिर भी I want you to hear the words, because this is why I'm making the video. I feel like an urgency to let it out here. So wait, I'm telling you the words. So here it goes. कि भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो हुआ उसे एक्सेप्ट करो and always choose to move on. Do my choices even matter, Papa? ये जानने का तो एक ही तरीका है. You give yourself a chance. So ये लाइन बहुत मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, because if you are someone who is going through trauma right now, because trauma is a complex process. Like, it is not one day that you realize, oh, I am feeling traumatic. I think कुछ चीज़ें हमारे ज़िंदगी में डिस्टर्बिंग हो जाता है, हम उसको दबा के रखते हैं, and suddenly we wake up and we be like, it was yesterday that it happened. And when we look back, that yesterday it happened, when we tell to our family that कल ही हुआ था ये मेरे साथ, तब आपके आसपास के लोग शायद ये कह सकते, कल कैसे, ये तो 10 साल हो गया, ये बचपन में हुआ था, ये भी चीज़ तुम्हें याद है, अभी तो चला गया है. So when you are stuck in a loop, and it is like a loop, it's just like you are just thinking about your trauma so much that your present life is getting hampered. So it is like you feel like, do my choices even matter? Because I am so traumatic, I am thinking about the same thing over and over again, and there is always a choice to move on. But do we move on really better? So that's why I'm going to hear this line again, and I want to tell you that you should know this, because Nasiruddin Shah said the right thing. कि भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो हुआ है वो एक्सेप्ट करो. So in my situation, because see, I am over it. Like today when I'm explaining the situation, don't think that Tanushri is in the same space. Since I'm over it, I will not go into detail or personal thing, but I feel like earlier there was a lot of traumas, and in those one of those traumas there was this experience I faced, just raw, and it was my sexual abuse experience. So I just felt so dirty inside of myself at that age. I'm smiling and telling this because things are not so serious in my head right now. But at that time, I felt like if I talk about this to someone, or if I talk to myself, I can't look up in the mirror. I just felt so dirty that way. So भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't know what you are going through. I had gone through that trauma, and I felt like just just removing everyone in my life, because I was having trust issues. I was feeling like everyone gonna harm me, and I got a lot of bad way of life dealing. Like मैं बात नहीं कर पाती थी, इतना खराब हो गया था. And हाँ, I mean, at that time I was running. I was somewhere running also, because I was just feeling like if I told, like if I told to someone about this thing, they will judge me. But I have to tell you, I don't know what are you going through, and someone or the other, you might be going through some problem. So if you're going through a trauma that really hamper you, so this is what Nashruddin sir said, and it is also a true thing that भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, accept करो और
वो उसे accept करो and always choose to move on.
accept करो and always choose to move on. So I see it happened like I think in 2021 it happened, and in 2021 from that time to 22 23 I took 2 years, and in those 2 years I was playing the same trauma. So I understand people who just say that I cannot move on. And one of the thing that I will tell you that you can do to move on is just talk about your trauma to someone. I know psychologist help is expensive because सबके पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं, तो सबके पास दोस्त तो होंगे ना. अगर दोस्त नहीं है, आजकल का ज़माने में इंटरनेट है, तो इंटरनेट पे बात कर दिया करो. आई कैन रिमेंबर इन दैट टाइम when my life was like fucked up, I was tired, I was not getting up well and XYZ. At that time also, I have written a note, I have written a poetry like something, and I think it was so much like I was crying, I was overwhelmed, and still I was writing all those things. And I can still remember in that stage, there was someone, she just came on my DM and she just tried to help me with her words. She just said, I hope you overcome the phase or something. She just said something. So I will try to tell you that also, that share about your life. It is not a difficult thing. You might feel like ashamed at first. You might feel like, what the hell am I doing? Who will listen? And people will judge me. I know there are trolls. I know there are hate comments. I know. But there is a positivity in you. So if you are positive, then at least do it for yourself, that you come on internet or you come to your own people and tell it this is what happened. I know we people be like telling that, don't show your vulnerability because people will take advantage of you. But the point is that those people who take advantage and use it wrongly, your own vulnerability, they are not good people. And those who will use it for good reasons, like those who will help you, even if you are traumatic, even if you're sharing a vulnerability to the other person, if that person really listens to you and tries to help you, then you will know people who are really kind to you. तो कभी कभार आई थिंक जाकिर खान ने ये बोला है कि मतलब फल, मतलब हर चीज़ मतलब ट्राई कर जाना पड़ता है. हमेशा हर ट्राई में सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ ये तो नहीं होता ना. You have to keep on trying. One or two people will accept you, and when that person will accept it, you will feel like, okay, I'm being heard, and everyone want to be heard. Like today when I'm speaking to you, I'm just imagining someone will listen to it. And to reach here to this kind of comfortability, I had taken a lot. I have taken a lot of mental preparation. I used to feel like earlier I used to just cry after every video because I used to feel like people will judge me. But if now people judge me, I feel like people are not sensitive, because मैं जो बात करती हूँ वो कहीं ना कहीं लॉजिकल होता है, और कहीं ना कहीं only one thing is that I cannot be catching up in one language. I am speaking in 3-4 languages, और 1-2 मतलब हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, इंग्लिश में बात कर रही हूँ, वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. पर अगर जिनको बात सुनना होता है और समझना होता है वो समझ लेंगे. So always try to talk your heart out to someone, or I am there. This comment section कभी भर दो, वायरल कर दो, या share about your heart out. किसी ना किसी का रिप्लाई सुन के कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, I know that. और इंटरनेट या कहीं पे भी कोई ना कोई अच्छा है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू मूव ऑन, टॉक योर हर्ट आउट. दिस इज़ द वन थिंग. और ये करने में बहुत मुश्किल लगती है, मुझे पता है, मैंने भी बहुत टाइम लिया है. पर मैं अगर बात कर सकती तो कोई ना कोई बात करने का कोशिश तो कर सकते हो, तो करना. बिकॉज स्टेइंग स्टक इन ट्रॉमा इज़ नॉट द ऑप्शन राइट नाउ. देयर इज़ अ लॉट टू लाइफ. यू हैव टू लेट गो. I am trying to let go. You will try to let go. Someone will else also learn from you to let go. And life will keep on moving on. And then the next word she said,
Do my choices even matter, Papa? ये जानने का तो एक ही तरीका है. You give yourself a chance.
डू माई चॉइसेस इवन मैटर? सो क्या हो जाता है, दिस इज द most easiest thing that I have understood inside of myself, that do my choices even matter? Because I used to feel like a meat of flesh at that time. And in many times, I used to feel like I am choosing to talk to that person, but if that person is not valuing me, what can I do? You feel low, you feel like you are the worst person in the whole world. But you know what? You have to give yourself a chance. So point is that today if someone is not nice to you, your trauma is not getting a ear that is heard, like किसी का कोई अगर आपको सुन नहीं रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं वो दूसरे इंसान के बारे में है, पर आप अगर खुद के लिए ट्राई नहीं करते ना तो लाइफ वर्क ही नहीं करती. सो गिव योर सेल्फ अ चांस टू लिव अगेन, chance to fight for yourself, chance to tell a story for yourself, chance to be there for yourself. And to do this you have to open up. And what is the, like, I thought I will what I think yeah, tips to let go of your trauma, ये वाला एक थंबनेल में दूंगी इतने सारे बातें करके हुए. और ये ग्लेरिया की बातें. एंड आई थिंक yeah, I know that. I think you can talk, like my teacher, college teacher, talked about the movie, and she just said that that value system is not there in the character of Deepika Padukone. But I only felt at that time, and even I feel that Deepika Padukone is so stuck with her trauma that somewhere she was trying to not be repeating her mother's wrong steps somewhere. But she repeated the same thing in the wrong way or right way. I don't know. I can't judge. But she repeated the same thing and then she killed someone. But I feel, I think one thing that attracted me is simple, that I hope she chose to move on. And last में वो दिखाया भी था that she's trying for her own self. And it is very hard to do that. I'm not saying she's right. I think she didn't kill Siddhant Chaturvedi's character, बट ऑब्वियसली वो एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया था क्योंकि सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी वांटेड टू किल दीपिका पादुकोण, तो उसमें हो गया था. बट शी ट्राई टू मूव ऑन, शी ट्राई टू लेट गो, शी ट्राई टू be there for her own self, she tried to open a new chapter for her own self. So it is also for the people who are going through something complicated out there, that you might feel like I will always be stuck here, I will be always there, but that's not the truth. You can be out of it. हम सब ट्राई कर रहे हैं भाई, हम सब ट्राई कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि बातें सुनने के लिए कोई ना कोई आपके पास आसपास तो है. अगर कोई नहीं है, अगर एक कोई नहीं है तो मेरी तरह ये चैनल खोल दो या लेट आउट कर दो. कोई ना कोई, अगर कोई ट्रॉल भी कर रहा है ना इस ज़माने में, देन ऑल्सो दे आर पेइंग अटेंशन टू यू. एंड इफ़ दे आर ट्रॉलिंग यू फॉर no reason, then there is something wrong in them. So you have to laugh and you have to sense that how much negative they can be. But you are not so negative. Be not negative. At least enjoy that you are being attended by someone else. मैं ये पहले नहीं बोल पाती थी जब मेरे साथ ट्रॉल हुआ था क्योंकि मैं बची थी. और आप समझिए, मुझे पता भी है कि यहाँ पे बुरे लोग ज़्यादा होते हैं अच्छे लोगों से. पर समवेयर डाउन द लाइन अगर आप खुद के लिए अच्छे बन जाते हो ना, तो आपको अट्रैक्ट करोगे अच्छे लोग दूसरों से भी. Like, be a good man or human being to your own self so that you attract others who are good to you. ये करना मैं चाहती हूँ कोशिश, इसलिए मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ. और ये 14 मिनट का वीडियो हो गया, ये बातचीत हो गया, या मैंने कुछ तो सीखने का कुछ मिलेगा आप लोगों को. तो ऑब्वियसली मैंने सोचा अभी डेली, क्योंकि हाँ मुझे इस टॉपिक पे दूसरे वीडियो पे बात करना है जो मैं आज ही बना दूँगी. और ऑब्वियसली लाइक मेरे को फॉलो करो, मेरे को सब्सक्राइब करो. फॉलो तो इंस्टाग्राम पे माई इंस्टाग्राम ID इज़ bliss and miss on the same, और इधर भी bliss and miss on the same. और पता है मेरे bliss and miss का नाम बहुत अच्छा है. अभी तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, बट कोई फॉलोअर्स नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा. बट इंस्टाग्राम पे फिर भी मुझे रीच मिलता है, कोई ना कोई देखता है, पर यूट्यूब में नहीं देखता है. तो आई होप आई गिव अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज सो दैट आई एम बीइंग नोटिस्ड एट लास्ट. सो ऑब्वियसली मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और अगर कुछ भी है, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है, कुछ भी बोलना है, मेरे को जज भी करना है, जजमेंटल वीडियो या नेगेटिव कमेंट्स मैं शायद रिप्लाई नहीं करूँगी, मैं पढ़ लूँगी। जो कुछ भी दिल में है बता दो, और अगर बुरा लगेगा तो ठीक है, मैंने इतना बुरा देख लिया है कि मुझे अभी डर नहीं लगता उतना, और मुझे पता है मैं उस चीज़ से बाहर आ सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन आउट ऑफ ट्रॉमास इन माई लाइफ अर्ली ऑल्सो। सो दिस इज़ नाउ फॉर इट। अभी के लिए मैं बाय बाय करने वाली हूँ। आप मेरे वीडियोस को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सॉरी आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, मेरे वीडियोस देखिए, मेरे को वायरल बनाइए और मेरे साथ रहिए, ये कहना है। बाय फॉर नाउ, बाय।